Good morning, children. In the chapter Algebraic Expressions and Identities, today we are going to learn to solve problems using 4 identities mentioned in your textbook for 8th standard, both for NCERT and state syllabus. So, you have to remember these identities, children, which says a plus b the whole square is equal to a square plus b square plus 2ab, a minus b the whole square is equal to a square plus b square minus 2ab, a plus b into a minus b is a square minus b square, x plus a into x plus b is equal to x square plus x into a plus b plus ab. Now we are going to do problems based on these basic identities which you have learnt. Children, learning these identities is very important. It is also useful in your future classes. If you find difficulty in learning these identities, I have already made a song based on these first 3 identities. You can go to my channel. You can learn the song. So let's start. Let's do the first problem in exercise 6.5. The first problem in exercise 6.5 in state syllabus book, that is you can see here state syllabus book. First problem, use a suitable identity to get each of the following products. First is x plus 3 into x plus 3. We are going to solve this problem. So we are going to solve this problem x plus 3 into x plus 3. How do we solve this problem? X plus 3 into x plus 3 is nothing but we can write this also as x plus 3 the whole square. Okay, x plus 3 into x plus 3 is written as x plus 3 the whole square. So which formula will you use, children? We'll use the formula of a plus b the whole square for x plus 3 the whole square. So we are going to use the formula of a plus b the whole square is equal to a square plus b square plus 2ab. So what is the value of x and a and b in this question? So x plus 3 the whole square will be equal to, what is a? A will be x and b will be 3. So remember these two things, a will be x and b will be 3. So wherever there is a, we'll write x, wherever there is b, we'll write 3. So wherever there is a, we wrote x, and wherever there is b, we wrote 3. So x plus 3 the whole square is equal to a square. A square will be x square. B square, b is 3. So 3 square plus 2. This is multiplication, so it will be 2 into x into 3. So when we simplify, this will be x square plus 3 square is 3 3s are 9 plus 2 into x into 3. 3 2s are 6x. So this is the solution to the problem. X plus 3 into x plus 3. Now let's do one more problem from the textbook. So we will do problem number 3, 2a minus 7 and 2a minus 7. Product of 2a minus 7 and 2a minus 7. We are in first main. I am going to do third problem. So I am going to do third problem which says 2a minus 7 and 2a minus 7. 2a minus 7, 2a minus 7 can be written as 2a minus 7 the whole square. So which formula does it resemble, children? Which formula? Formula number 2. So a minus b the whole square is equal to a square plus b square minus 2ab. Okay. So again we are going to write, instead of a, we will write 2a. Instead of b, we will write 7. So keep this in mind. Instead of a, 2a minus, instead of b, 7. The whole square is equal to 2a. Children, when there are two numbers fixed to each other and it is square, we will put a bracket. For two numbers fixed together, we will put a bracket plus, instead of b, 7 square minus 2 into a is 2a, b is 7. So 2a the whole square means it is 2 square into a square. So what is 2 square? 2 into 2. 2 2s are 4. A square as it is. 7 square. 7 7s are 49 minus 2 2s are 4. 4 7s are 28. A. Okay. I'll show here what I did. 2 square is 2 into 2. 2 2s are is 4. 7 square is 7 into 7, which is 49. Okay, so my answer is 4a square plus 49 minus 28a. I hope you have understood, children. We have done 2 problems based on 2 identities. Let's move on and do a problem from question number 7. We'll do problem from question number 7. So let's do question number 7, which says 6x minus 7, 6x plus 7. So 6x minus 7, 6x plus 7. So here it is minus, here it is plus. 6x, 6x same, 7, 7 same. So which formula do you use, children? Which formula do you use? Yes, you use formula number 3. A plus b into a minus b is equal to a square minus b square. So let's write the formula. A plus b into a minus b is equal to a square minus b square. So children, first term has minus, second term has plus. It's not a problem, it's okay. It is understood like a plus b into a minus b only it is. So we'll use the formula and we will move on. So what will be the value of a here? Here a is what and what is b? A will be 6x and b will be 7. So children, here a is 6x and b is 7. So let us substitute the value of a and b and find the answer. A is 6x plus 7. Second bracket, a is 6x minus 7 is equal to a square minus b square. What is a square minus b square? What is a? A is 6x, two terms, so bracket square, minus 7 square. It is alone, so we put only square. We don't put any bracket. Okay. So 6x square, 6 6 are 36x square. 6 square means 6 into 6, which is 36. Okay. So 7 square. What is 7 square? I think I did before. I showed you 7 square is 7 into 7. 7 7s is 49. So we are going to write minus 49 here. That's it. This is the answer. I hope you have understood, children. We have done 3 problems, children. The first problem was based on identity a plus b the whole square. Second problem on identity a minus b the whole square. Third problem on identity a plus b into a minus b is equal to a square minus b square. I have covered 3 problems from first main of exercise 6.5. I am going to do second main 1 problem because it is of identity x plus a into x plus b. We will do problem number 1, which is x plus 3 into x plus 7. And we will do problem number 3. 2 different problems from this second main. Okay. So let's move on. We are doing second main. First problem, which says x plus 3 into x plus 7. So x plus 3 into x plus 7. Which formula does it resemble, children? It resembles formula number 4, x plus a into x plus b is equal to x square plus x into a plus b plus ab. So we are going to use the formula and we are going to do. So we are going to write the formula here. Every time you should write formula, children, otherwise you will not understand and you will be confused. So x plus a into x plus b is equal to x square plus x into a plus b plus ab. So this is x plus 3 into x plus 7. So what is x here? Here x is x only. What is a here? A is 3. A is 3. And what is b here? B is 7. So with this information we are going to substitute. So x square is x square only. X is x. X square plus x into a plus b. What is a? 3. Plus what is b? 7. Plus ab, multiplication. So 3 into 7. So here I get x square plus x into 3 plus 7 is 10 plus 7 3s are 21. Now x square plus this both is multiplied, so 10 into x is 10x plus 21 is the answer. I hope you have understood, children. I hope it is clear. I have taken the values of x as x, a as 3 and b as 7 because it is given like this only in the textbook. I am going to do third problem because it has minus signs. Okay, so the third problem says 4x minus 5 and 4x minus 1. So this, how, see children, this and this are same. First term is same, second terms are different, signs are different. So we will use this formula. because first term is same. So x plus a into x plus b is equal to x square plus x into a plus b plus ab. Okay. So children, here again let us take what is x and what is a and what is b. Let us see what is x, what is a, what is b. So you see here 4x minus 5, 4x minus 1. So 4x common. So x is nothing but here x is 4x. A is minus 5, b is minus 1. Why did not we take in the previous problem plus 3, plus 7? Because plus means it is understood, children, but when it is minus, we should write the values as minus. Now let's substitute x plus a, that is 4x minus 5, 4x minus 1 is equal to x square. What is x square? X square, x is 4x. So we write this as 4x bracket square. Two terms, so we put a bracket. Okay. Plus x into a plus b. What is x? 4x into a plus b minus 5 plus of minus 1 plus ab plus minus 5 into minus 1. Okay, so this will be equal to 4x square. 4 4s are 16 x square plus 4x minus 5 plus into minus is minus. So minus 5 minus 1 will be minus 6. Minus to minus is plus. 5 ones is 5. So children, every number has only one symbol. So plus into minus we multiplied and we got minus. So 4x into minus 5 minus 1 is minus 6 and minus to minus is plus. 5 ones is 5. 16x square plus into minus is minus. 6 4s are 24, x plus 5. So this is the solution of this problem. 4x minus 5, 4x minus 1. So children, today in our class we have covered all the four problems. Okay, which includes all the four formulas. All the four formulas, it includes all the four problems. So first problem we did using formula a plus b square. Second problem we did formula using a minus b the whole square. Third problem we did using identity a plus b into a minus b is equal to a square minus b square. In fourth problem we did using identity x plus a into x plus b is equal to x square plus x into a plus b plus ab. So we have used all the four identities and I have taught you how to solve the problems. Connected to these problems, you will have many more problems in your textbook which you should solve on your own. Hope you have understood the video, children. Thank you. Stay home, stay safe. Have a nice day.